Hey everyone, in today's video, we will be showing you how to go on Prime Video, Amazon Prime Video from PS5. All right, so say you're playing a game and then what you want to do is go ahead and push this. You want to go to the home. See, it'll give you the home option right there. Going to home, I'm going to home. All right, once we go to home, on the top left, games and media. So we're gonna go to media. And once you get to media, you're gonna go down and you're gonna see ads, or you're gonna see this list right here. And then all we have to do is now go to Prime Video right here. Go ahead, press that. You're gonna have to download it. The download is real fast. I'll just go ahead and download it for you guys. And then once you download it, if you already have an account, then all you have to do is sign in and wham, you're on. Otherwise, you have to sign up and then pay for it. Prime Video, and then you'll have to list movies. All right, so before I go, I'll go ahead and show you, so when we go, oops, let me see. Oh, it's not, okay, I have to start it. Wait, hold on. All right, so let me go back to home. All right, so every time you go to home and then you go to media, now when you go down, Prime Video is gonna be right here, and it's gonna give you the list of movies. So yeah, once you're signed in, you could just go to any of these movies, and before you sign in or sign up, you'll see what movies they're pushing or promoting right now. All right, I hope that helps, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.